Now we are going to study different operations that can be performed on a set. So the first we have to check how to join two sets. Okay, if we want to join two sets, there are several ways. Okay, but there are two of the method that I am going to tell you. One of them is union method, other one is update method that I have told you earlier. Union method is really simple. If I have a set 1 ABC and set 2 1 2 3, I will write set 3 another set will be the union of both set, will joining those both set. Okay, I will write set 1 dot union, and inside that I will write set 2, means together you need to join set 1 with set 2 and it will be storing result back in the set 3. So the update method also insert the item in set 2. So how I can write set 1 dot update set 2, it is also joining set 2 with set 1, means that the both union and update are used to join two set, but both the methods will exclude any duplicate item. That's clear, because set can't have duplicate items in it. If you want to keep only duplicate values, okay, I have two set. For example, X is have apple, banana, cherry, Y is equal to Google, Microsoft, Apple. Okay, simple. I want to check that in both set which items are common. Okay, which items are common. If I just want to add duplicate item, what I will write? I will write X dot intersection update. Intersection update method will keep only the item that are present in both set. What it will check? It will check which item is present both in X set and Y set, and it will be giving result, storing result back in the X. Okay, means here apple is common in both sets, so the result will be apple. So another method is also intersection method. It will also return a new set that contain the item that are present in both set. Okay, this is also a intersection, like intersection update. This is also a intersection. Okay, what I am doing, I am writing X and Y, and I am writing X dot intersect Y. What it will do, it will find common element in both set and it will store the result in the Z. Okay, another, if I want to keep all but not the duplicate, means that I want to store the value that are unique in both set. For example, in first set is apple, banana, cherry, in second Google, Microsoft, Apple. Here apple is present in both set, I don't need apple. Okay, what it will do, it will write X dot symmetric difference update. It will only update it with banana, cherry, Google, Microsoft. It will remove duplicate item from the list. The symmetric difference is a method that will return a new set that contain only the elements that are not present in both sets. Okay, but here it will also check that which elements are present in both sets, and it will be storing only those elements which are not present in both sets. Okay, I hope you understand it. So now let's look at some important set methods that are most usually used in our programming. So these are some method. Add method is used to add element. We have seen it. Clear method, it remove all the element from the set. It will clear the set with the 0 elements. Okay. Copy method, it is used to make a copy of a set and store another set. Difference method, return a set contain the difference between two or more sets. Like we have done in the mathematics, we want to find a minus b. For example, a is a set and b is the set. I want to find the difference of a from b. I will write a dot difference and write b. Difference update. Okay. Discard used to remove. Intersection used to find the common element in both sets. Intersection update, remove the item in the set and both present in each other. Okay. Is disjoint, is used to check that if both the set are disjoint or not. Yeah, you have learned about subset in mathematics. So if we want to find that if a set is a subset of another set or not, I will write is subset method and simply is superset. Okay. Pop method is used to remove element from the set. Another method is remove, that I told you is also used to remove the element, but it will give error if it does not find the value in the set. Next one is the symmetric difference. Return a set with the symmetric differences of two sets. Symmetric difference update, it will update the set with the symmetric difference. And the next is union, used to join two set, and the update, it is also used to join the sets. So why not now you have to practice some questions. I have some questions that you need to practice to master the skill that we have learned today, because if you don't practice, you will remember, you won't remember it for long. If you want to master the programming, the key is to practice, practice and practice. So I have designed like 8 exercises for you. Let's look at one by one. I hope you will do it yourself, and I will be also doing one or two in this lecture, and in next lecture I will be giving solution of the some important exercises. Simple, add a list to element of set. You know how to do it simply, you know. Okay. Second, return a new set of identical atoms from two set. For example, there are two set A and B. Your task is to find the element that are present in both set, and you need to print that. Get only unique atom from two set. Okay, this is also same, but it is used to check only unique element. Okay. Exercise 4, update the first set with items that don't exist in the second set. Okay, you know which function to use, we have learned it. Okay. Next one is exercise number 5, remove atom from the set at once. You want to delete all element. You should know which function to use. I have told you in like previous slide or 1 minute ago. Okay. Exercise 6, return a set of elements present in set A or B but not both. Okay, only those elements which are present in A or B, but it should not be common in both sets. Exercise number 7, check if two sets have any element in common. If yes, display the common element. Simple. Exercise 8, update set 1 by adding element from set 2 except common atoms. Means these are exercises are same and with different meaning and with different logics. Okay, so you need to be practicing all of these are most of the exercises are similar. Okay, but these are very simpler exercises. I want you to practice it, and if you have any query, if you have any issue, please let me know in the comments. I will be making video about set. So I'm planning to add some new things, and I will be after completing sets I will be doing tuples, and then very important topics will be exception handling and the file handling will be covered. After that we will be gradually moving toward AI and machine learning. So keep in touch with it and don't miss any lecture. Okay, if you want to be expert of this, don't miss any lecture. So please practice all the exercises that I told you. At least 3 of them you must be doing. Okay, the different one. Okay, so till now, take care. I hope you have enjoyed to the lecture. If you have learned anything, so please support me by liking the video, by subscribing the channel.